Crazy, man. All right. Well, I mean, I guess it ain't really much point of doing a doing a breakdown considering we know what's going on. Okay. I thought we was at all-time highs, but we still got a little ways to that, thankfully. But we getting up there though. That's crazy that we were so high. And then that 2 days just fell the hell out. But daily's buying like a motherfucker, as we know. This is just insane to me, bro. Like these 5-minute candles pushing as much as they are so annoying. Like, bro, this bit open down here in the last 23 minutes with a 10 pip bottom wick. It has pushed up 500 damn near.
That shit. That should have jumped like 20 pips.
Bruh. That's that dumb shit I be talking about, bruh. This is the days where you really only need like a 3 micro. 3, maybe 4. I don't even know what to do. Yeah. I feel like you gotta just, well, I mean, it's gonna, well, I was about to say it's gonna close above, but it's not even gonna close above. You coming right into this resistance. Some more dumb shit. Bro, you only got no targets, bro. That's why I don't like all-time highs. I just be fucking that money up. Oh, I remember when we was at this area. Yeah, I remember when we was at this area. Let's see. Yeah, bro. This is insane.
That's shit crazy, bro.
Shit, I guess sales. I mean, do we even look for sales at this point? You technically, I mean, if you got a red candle, like I would just need a whole red candle at this point to like just go ahead and formulate maybe back under this support over here to the left right there to come down.
That bit's gonna keep going, boy.
Watch how I just look at it. Brady gonna hop on here. Why don't you take it?
That shit gonna make his way back up. That shit going up.
Going up or down? Up, yeah, up. Bruh, this shit here. And it's crazy because like you try to like say, oh, surely I can take a little buy to fill the rest of this little range out. Surely it'll go up another 30, 40, fall out 100. Oh my goodness, bro. Fuck this shit.
Look, told you that shit finna go. Don't break his high.
Yeah, man. All I'm doing is just re-breaking. Damn, bro. It really might close above. I hate having buy stops on the break of the day. I hate it. Bro, you really could have just let this bitch run all the way into this. That's insane. We said it last night, though, or yesterday. We're talking about that W. Down leg, up, down leg, up. And somebody seeing that shit, too. And just finish this pattern on out. Like I said, bro. Like I said, I ain't gonna just say fuck it. But I don't know if I'm touching my real account today. Not real. Let me take that back. I don't know if I'm touching my accounts that are in good profits right now. I've been taking great W's on some accounts and took a small loss a couple days back on one account. It was like 300 something. Or no, it was even 440 something. So I took another loss on that account. That's fine. But to just go in and just L's, I'd no. Hell no. But see, and this is what I be talking about of back in the day when we used to take our Tonio play. Bro, if this 5-minute candle were to close like hella weak bearish, back in the day, the break of this low would have been so smooth, but you just can't trust nothing now. I'm telling you, this shit ran up with a 5 or 10 pip bottom wick.
I'm telling you, bro, that shit's gonna go up the rest of the day. That's how these Fridays be.
Nigga, it's Friday with news at 8:30 too. If I get a good little down wick, I probably will be something on it. I want like a 5 for 100 pips, bro. Like that's what I really want. I know you was catching them 100 pips pretty easily back in Asian session, but I know you. I see you done with that though. No cap, I'm fucking with the Asian.
I was. It was really me, bro. I fucked my bag up. It wasn't the Asian, bro.
Yeah, that's what it ultimately come down to all the time. Anyway, everything works. We know everything works, nigga. We literally said we gotta stop if we hit a certain drawdown. We just be saying fuck that shit.
It's like once it gets over that drawdown, it's like, man, let's get for the biscuit.
And it never works, bro. It never works out like that. So if this candle, man, I don't love the Tonio plays right now, bro. But I know if this candle were to open up, break this daily high, and then start coming down, I bet you it makes its way down heavily. But it's just so bullish right now. We're right at a resistance right here. Got news in 1 minute, 20 seconds. If this shit were to shoot up real quick after respecting this and re-break its own low, I bet you this shit comes down a good amount. It's just like you don't know how much. That's the only thing. Could just wait on a sell under here, like a red candle to actually close back under here. But
that would be the best thing.
Yeah, of course. It always is the best thing. We know what the best is.
I got an account. I forgot I even had. This shit is low.
How low we talking?
I mean, it's up now. I was using it yesterday.
Oh, so you traded yesterday?
Yeah.
Last night, Asian?
That bitch was low, boy.
Oh, okay. Who's it with? Top one?
Yeah. So I'm negative like 600 on my overall thing.
So but how much do you have until drawdown?
I should have like 1,500 left.
Oh, so you got some room to play. Yeah, how you forget you had it?
I thought this account was over with.
So you just gonna rock out with that account, or you gonna buy another account next week?
I'm gonna see if it could get to break even. I'm at 49,373 right now.
Yeah, that's 2 trades. All right, we got some motion.
Let's see if I can get a little something today.
How much are you up on the day?
230.
See, bro, this is what I'm talking about. Like when it rejects out of these highs and breaks this low on the 5 minute. I mean, look at that. It's like it's 100 damn near. Risk of about 50.
That was quick too.
It was quick, yeah. Like I said, but you really don't know if that bitch was just gonna stop right here though. That's the only thing. I'd rather just wait and let news do what news does, rather than just saying, "Oh, it's breaking a low, a 5 minute low." But I'm telling you, bro, price action back in the day when we rejected out of resistances, wicked up and broke like weak bears or weak bullish lows, I swear we were coming downtown. It's just so hard to gauge it. We damn near need to wait on like either like a pullback to continue up or a sell like under all this shit. It's like back in range somewhere, like maybe under here. But I'm with either one. It's good to have a good voice on the stream, man. It's good to have a good voice on the stream. Voice say, I'll see y'all on Monday. You ain't mad. Ain't no point in being mad, especially when you know it's you. Shit.
Sometimes you get used to this shit, bro.
I was going to say, fuck all this shit.
I probably do, bro.
Why did Brandon say got on his knee? Oh shit.
We done had a lot of funny moments, bro. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of funny moments.
right, we flipping back up. Bruh, why did Brandon say he had to get on a knee? He surrendered. He said, God, it's me. It's me. Bro, the crazy part is, like, it's all damage Brandon be doing after the stream.
After the call.
That's where it really kick in. Because that's what I be thinking about when I was like, well, we used to do well. We used to really disassociate from this shit. After the stream, bro, I didn't even really open the charts or nothing. Like, I wasn't even looking at this shit.
Yeah, facts.
You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I'm trying to, like I said, if you want a job, get you a fucking 9 to 5. But bro, I'm trying to look at this shit for 2 hours and go on about my day.
Yeah.
Like, I'm looking at this sell right now. If you close below, well, it's probably not gonna close below. But if it were to close below this area right here, to the left, nothing but a wick fill down, bruh, 60 damn pips. But will it go, or will it be on the dumb shit?
Sitting here typing in the chat like I'm in the office at the moment.
What's up, Brandon, man? Talk to us, bro. What's your head looking like?
Nigga, the same as yours, bro. You know what I'm saying? Until after this call in, nigga. At that point, I'm full tilt.
Ain't the same as mine, bro.
As usual. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm great, bro. I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? My fault. I'm sitting here trying to meal prep and all this other
You off today?
Nah. I'm heading into the office later, bro. On Fridays, it don't make no sense. They be letting everybody go early. So why the fuck am I getting in dummy early just to leave at the same time everybody else is?
Yeah. Man.
You started at TikTok yet?
Nah. Yeah, man. I got a fitness TikTok going, bro. 10K followers, bro. You should go fuck with me.
I ain't trying to see that. We trying to see you tilt.
You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday, nigga.
I'm talking about your own trading TikTok.
Oh, man. You know good and goddamn well it ain't finna happen.
Wow.
That shit will blow up, bro. I'm telling you.
There you go. There go that sell I was talking about on the 5-minute closure below the range to the left. I didn't trust this little ass top wick though. Yeah, I guess it wasn't terrible. It's 16. It's the only thing about using that little top wick is the real stop loss be up here, like 120 something.
Yeah, but you go low risk. That shit ain't really gonna do shit.
Hey, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like I be like, say I do get in, like I said, bro, like nothing crazy, like on a 5, like a 3, a 4, or 5, and just try it. Like, bro, what's the worst that can happen? You lose 15 pips, 20 pips, you know?
Yeah.
And that's kind of where
once it goes up and make his bigger top wick, you just re-enter.
Right, on a re-break. But the thought process behind that was this 5-minute candle right here, I scrolled to the left and saw that it closed below this 5-minute support right here. So wasn't looking to come nothing but into here. So it made a small top wick, not much, but shit, I would have been even cool with it filling the wick. But it came all the way down to the target real quickly. So about a 16 pip risk. First target for about 43 on that wick fill. And second target is 65. And anything else that happens after here just is extra. But yeah, nah. Like I said, I definitely am open to like taking more trades considering my risk is just lesser.
Hey, I got a question.
Yes, sir.
Let's say for this candle, for instance, let's say it's going up to make a bigger top wick. How about re-entering on the body when it flips back down? Rather than
I did that yesterday. I do like that.
Do you think that's a better entry?
When it flips back bearish after making it, you do expect it to continue to go. So I don't know if it's better per se, but like it's something to definitely take into consideration. But I know what you mean. Like say it pushed down 10, flips back up to actually retest the area, and then flips back bearish, I do like that. Like it just makes sense.
Putting a stop loss exactly like where it turns back red.
Exactly. Rather than getting in down here, you can get in on the re-break right up. Yeah. I mean, it definitely makes sense for sure. It definitely makes sense. So no, I actually did that yesterday. That's why my entry was a little bit better than Sri.
So when you say we get in late, you think doing this will make it better?
I mean, what you think? Shit, if price makes a low first, and then you can get in up here as opposed to down here. Hell yeah.
Because if we thinking it's gonna hit that once it makes a bigger top loss and it goes and hit the bottom wick. I mean, we already putting a stop loss there for it to retest and go back down. We might as well put it.
Yeah.
When it breaks his body.
He might as well. Bro, I'm telling you, it's like it's really no right and wrong to it. Like, bro, Raja, dead ass, sets his buy, like just gets in when the candle just closes above. He don't even wait on the bottom wick or nothing. So like, it's a whole bunch of ways to go about it. For real. It just depends on how you want to go about it. But no, I've seen that. Like this, I would have loved to see it retest the area it just came out of course. But like more times than not, man, if that thing comes down first, makes a better bottom or better top wick, retest the area actually, man, rather than getting in on the re-break of the low entirely, or you can sneak them extra little 12 to 15. That's a big difference. That's that follow through we waiting on. That's that follow through we be talking about.
And then even when you do that, it makes your stop loss even more tighter.
Yeah, it's that exactly. It's lesser. Like if you would have had a 53 pip stop loss and you saving 13, 14 pips on your re-entry, it's like, okay, 40. Because shit, if it was gonna go down and come back up anyway, like it wasn't gonna work out anyway.
Exactly.
So yes, that's a great point.
Because I did that same move before and shit worked out great.
Entering on them reflips rather than the re-break of the lows.
Right.
Let's see. I just closed above this 5-minute area right here. Yeah, it didn't close above that, but it's coming down though. This is so crazy because like imagine being a swing trader and like you just hoping that price is gonna continue up and it's just rallying down like this. Like that's just some dumb shit. So stupid. We about to break 15 lows though. Looks like it. Right there. Shit, I'm looking, bruh. Sales aren't bad in like 4 minutes because if you close back under here and get a decent little bottom wick or top wick, you should come into like, you should come down a little bit, bro. We just broke that low again. At least into like here. Yeah. Okay, so let me redo these ranges. Gold is so stupid. Hear me talking about it, I'm sure. These are moves where I'll be like, bruh, after prices fell this high or this much, am I crazy to want 50, 60, 70 pips? I just don't think so.
No, you are not.
I don't think so. We're definitely gonna see. This scares me a little bit to the left right here. A little bit. Just all this foolishness, how I can stop up anywhere in here. But if you use the most recent, it needs to chill out. But if you use the most recent, it should close under here and continue down. Ah, man, come on. Why is it just running like this? Hey, right there. Go up.
Yeah, this should need to go make a top wick real quick. Come back down.
Yeah. Sri said 52.17 looks like a good level. That's why I have 52.16.4. But yeah, same area. But yeah, it needs to pull back like it's doing right now and make a hell of a top wick so I can enter on the re-break of the low. Yep. Just like this.
this point, it's gonna have to be the current low.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But we'll see. I anticipate wick to be filled. Like I said, woulda, shoulda, coulda, but I would have loved to catch that 5-minute sell from up here to here. But yeah, this is good though. This is a really nice closure. I want like a 50-60 pip top wick if possible. You know what's gonna happen if it closes above though. If it closes above this and it breaks this weak 5-minute high, I bet you we start going up because the 30 minutes still, sorry, that 1 hour is still open. Oh, the 30 minutes still open. Until this 30-minute candle breaks this low, this shit could be making the bottom wick to continue up. So if it doesn't close respecting this, let's see, I'm gonna put this right there too, just in case. If it does close back under like a fake out, cool, that's one thing. But bro, if this shit closes above that and that, you might still be heading uptown. That boy Rogers, he got him a little account, boy. Stop playing.
So you know, in TRADECOPIA, that shit don't be deleting your accounts that's been blown.
I know, right? Damn, I don't know about that closure. It's a weird one. I need more. It closed above or it closed below it, but like, is it gonna go up because of how weak that 5 just closed and rejecting out of here? That's 2 15 candles that just came up and then down, and then you really don't have a stop loss other than using like this. Is it best to just wait at this point? Probably so. Because if you now get a 15-minute candle closing back above here, that'd actually be good too. Because you do have you have a resistance right there, which it can be rejecting off of. But you have a 30-minute candle right here, resistance, that it could be rejecting off of too. So I can see buys or sells, really. Part of me is like, I damn near think it's about to start going up when it breaks this high right here. Is that a 30 pip stop? It just broke it. So if it re-break it, it might go up. Or did it not break it? It hardly broke it. Like maybe a pip. Let's see. If this kind of hangs out where it's at right now, entry on the next 5-minute candle wouldn't be bad. I would have loved to gotten in right there because I'd been up 30 right now. But it's just ping-ponging too much. And I see both things happening. I know ultimately we've been pushing up and up and up and up and up today. So right there, you would have just seen 30, but it's starting to come up again. Part of me thinks that this thing is still trying to make its way up. How much would it be off of this if I took a buy? A re-break, a 60 pip. Let's see, I'm gonna use a little smaller risk here and go buy.
Order filled.
I went buy stop on the break of the, or not buy stop, execution on the break of this high. And if it just starts coming down again, I'll probably cut it. But I'm just interested to see if this is actually going to start making its way back up. I went lower risk though. Lower risk. Like I said, if it starts flipping down, I'll probably just cut it. Let's see. I'm just going off of my thought processes. I'm not going to take a full 60 pip stop on that. But if I see like minus, say, 35, 40, I might just cut it. So I'll set the stop for, let's see, 36.3. If it, yeah, let me see how this candle closes. Yeah, see.
Order filled.
I just got out. It's just respecting. It was respecting this level. I think it still could flip back up, but I didn't want to take too big of a loss on that. So I only took I took a buy on that.
You got out right on time too.
Yeah, exactly. I was just testing my thought process. I mean, it was a minus 230. It wasn't nothing crazy. So it looks like it wants to respect this level, bro. This thing, I think the next 5-minute candle actually might sell now, since we just keep holding this level down. So if this stays kind of like where it's at, gives like something like a small top wick, I definitely might take a sell on this next candle. So let's see. I don't need it to run off on me though. I'm looking at a sell on the flip or break or something here in the next 1 minute. Let's see if I can catch something. 52.17 area is kind of where looking into. Raja, I'm telling you, Raja would just fucking execute, bro. Like right now, he would just get in that shit. He crazy though. All right, I need price to kind of just feel right where it's at. It's about a 66 pips. So I would just use like anywhere between maybe a 5, 6, or 7. Nothing crazy.
Micros.
Yeah, definitely. 1,008. Let's see if I can get a top, just any sort of top wick. Click candle closing in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's just anything. Oh yeah, if it flips down, I'll get into this sell. This is exactly what you want. Mm-hmm.
Will you do the current breakdown at that point?
What you mean the current break?
The current,
the current candle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh yeah. Hopefully I don't get slipped too bad, but we'll see. So you can use, right? Just tapped it again perfectly. You can use a higher risk if you, I'm gonna go 7. Oh shit. All right.
Order filled.
All right, so I got in on the re-break of that low right there. Anticipating 52.22 is my first stop. You can use the current high, or you can use the previous. Wick fill first. Wick fill is my first stop. Come on now. So I think I seen like 25 on that. Nothing crazy. Hopefully we got some follow through. You can either use the high right there, or you can use the previous high. Damn. I hope this don't do no dumb shit. Looking like it wants to. Man. Come on now. I'm gonna cut half at the break of the high and then the other half at the re-break of the previous, if it happens. Damn, bro, where's the follow through, Roger? I seen about 23, 24, 25, but I was expecting way more than that. Come on now, flip down. All right. Close it back into profits. Hopefully we respect that high. And that's why I didn't want to have a buy on the break, because I mean we could just be respecting this area still. So now we just need to flip back down right around break even again. Come on now. Come on down. The better stops are all the way up here. Yeah, the better stops are all the way up here for sure. Or even like higher, but it's just like I really don't want to be sitting all that drawdown. I'm hoping that the next 5-minute candle can go ahead and finish it out, or you just close out at wherever you kind of are before the 1 hour closure happens, because you don't want to sit in a 5-minute pullback, or sorry, no, the new 1 hour pullback. But right around break even right now, though. Just hoping this next 5-minute candle is the one that dumps and not the one that pushes up. If I can get a 5-minute closure right here, that'd be very nice. But if we get a 5-minute bullish candle closure and it wicks down first, this thing might fill this wick on out up. So I might reevaluate if that were to happen with a smaller loss rather than taking a full loss. Let's see. Looking like it wants to push up though. Come on. It's just holding down this same resistance. That's why I think it's gonna come down. It's just annoying taking a loss before it just comes down. Hopefully it can just come down. I know I'm a little tight on my risk just because the best stops are all the way up here. But just trying to keep the loss as small as possible. Yeah, it's about to get me out of that first position probably. I'm gonna cut half at the re-break of the high if it were to break the high. Come down. Like I said, seen about 25, I think it was.
Stop filled.
So it got me out of my first position. It's looking like it may get me out of the next. But if this thing closes as bullish as it's looking like it might, I might just get out completely. Let's see. Because it could respect this high right here, man. That's why I'm like, fuck. If it reflips, I'll get in down there. But if not, I'm definitely just going to get out. See, look. If this candle flips back down and get like near entry, I'll probably get back in.
So you already got out that trade?
Half of my position out. But it probably, the way I'm looking at these 5-minute candles, it's probably about to just go, yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just got out completely. I think that it's still gonna come down though, but I just want to keep my loss smaller. I think that it's gonna respect this right here. That's the annoying part, because this was the area. Let's see. This was this area right here. So I got out of it. My real stop was a little higher, but we'll see. We'll see. Wow, it's right back near my entry now. All good though. I don't want to sit in it just in case. So just trying to manage it well. So like right here, it just came down to potentially make a bottom wick. Now it's pushing up, breaking this high. Did you take that, Roger?
Yep.
What'd you do on it?
Same with you, my brother.
There's that follow through we talking about.
Yep.
Look at this. How many do we see? Yep, all about 25. I was like, surely this wick will get filled out with all this volume, but no. Oh, good. How much did you lose on that?
That whole 200.
No, yeah. Yeah, I lost 325.
Good. Nah, I'm not.
What happened?
Okay. I'm talking to my coworker. I'm gonna be in the chat. Thank you.
I just knew it was gonna go up after all that. So crazy. Well, now that we closing back above on this 15-minute candle, I think it's about to go up. Stupid ass shit. because we got nothing in the way. So got a wick to fill all the way up into here. So looking for buys, looking for buys. I hate changing my analysis up, but I mean, look at the 5-minute candles. We just made a support. So this is that turnaround to come back up. So should have no issue. What's new? 95 pip stop loss just on the previous 5-minute candle. Can we get some sort of breakdown, please? Back in the day, would have seen that 25 and it'd been perfect. But like I said, glad for risk management. Like I said, lost a little 325 on them accounts. Trying to keep our losses around. I really said 400. I said 300 originally, but really I'm cool with minus 400. But let's see what we can do on this 15-minute candle right here. This looks damn good to fill this wick out on a 1 hour. At least up, bruh. At least to here. Which is this support. Damn, why are we pushing? Chill. Chill, twin. $30 seconds. Need somewhat of a bottom wick. Roger said he don't be needing bottom wick. Need something. Just something, anything. You can go with the Roger Banks method of just kind of entering if you get anything, or you can go with the I need a good bottom wick method. So let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. 4 seconds. This is a nice closure. All right, it's opening first. Upward. Isn't bad. So it'd be nice to get something as far as the bottom wick. Alrighty then. Come on now. Come down. There we go. Oh, this is where Roger was talking about earlier of just kind of like, if it comes down and makes a bit of a bottom wick, you can enter on the reflip right here as opposed to up here. Because if you entered on the reflip, that's the difference in about 27, 28, 30 pips. Like, that's a big difference. So we should be targeting up into this area right here. But we just need somewhat of a bottom wick, preferably like all the way down to here, honestly. But at least like something coming down. And if this thing just wants to run up without a bottom wick, that's just what gold's on today. But I don't think it's going to do that. I really don't think it's going to do that. The 1 hour just closed bullish with a wick to fill. The 30-minute just closed bearish, actually with no bottom wick at all. So truthfully, if this were to flip down, I wouldn't be surprised if this actually made a decent bottom wick down to fill this out too. So like overall, I do like the direction up, but no doubt in it that I do think that both things can happen. Like you can take a sell to come down to here, like this wick right there, or you can look at it as, oh no, I'm only looking at buy. But what do we know about most candles? They have top and bottom wick. So let's just see. Crazy. This is so crazy when candles decide they want to push with this game. That's Brandon, call me crazy. But you see how we rejecting out of this area right here? This 5-minute candle, or to break this rejection wick at the bottom. That'd be crazy. That'd be a crazy sell. On the reflip of the 1 hour candle, down, make a bottom wick. It's weird. $45. Just looking at how this candle is rejecting out of this area right here that we marked based off of the 1 hour support right there. And if this candle were to flip down, break this low, it'd probably be making a bottom wick for the 1 hour candle. Let me see. That's not bad. I may take, let's see, what would the risk be? Break of the previous 5 minutes, which is the 1 hour low. So it'll look something like this. I have a sell stop here. Nothing too risky, but just kind of off of my about a 50 pip stop. So just an idea. Just trying to trade what I see. And if we reject out of there, that's not a bad stop loss either using the current 5-minute high. I would have loved to get a better entry.
Stop filled.
All right, 40.2 is my entry. If it can actually come down. Damn, come on down. All right, 35 area. If this actually comes down, or my stop loss 45.3 area, targeting like 35. Came down real fast for about 18, it says. can't stay in there for too long, or it needs to go stop to break even because the direction is technically still up. But we'll see. It flips green though. Just anticipating me making the bottom wick on the 1 hour candle after rejecting out of this high right here. So let's see. Start making our way down. Oh, come on. All right, up about 20. Up about 20, or seen about 20, as I should say. Came down to 38.2, about 20 again. We have a candle closing in 1 minute. Get some change. So hoping that this next candle could be the driver that brings it on down. Come on, come on. If I see like 40 or 35 to 40, I might take off some. All right, I seen about 30, but I still think it has more room to come down. All right,
Order filled.
I'm off. I got 2 running. Come on, come down.
Order filled.
Got the rest. All right, so that was that trade. Right into that area right there. Yep. So that was all I was looking for. Rejection out of this 1 hour support area right there. Perfect rejection. I saw that this 5-minute candle right here gave me a bit of a stop loss area, and that'd have been break even. But yep. So trade right there was this candle broke that low right there. I had my stop loss above there. Took my first profits right here at 37, and took the rest at 35.4 for an extra about 16 on a 2. So it ain't much, but it's about $32 extra. So not bad at all. So yep. So my first is 40.2, and I got that at 35.4. And what did it do? Tap right into this area right here. Tap right into it. And so good trade, man. Good trade there. I only had a 5 running. So I made 214.40. Let's see, 214.40. So overall, that's like almost 40 pips, like 38 total. I took my first profits at 32, and then my last profits at 48. Good trade. And it's tapped right into the area in which I anticipated it to retest, which was a 15-minute resistance right there. Because the direction is still up on the day. Like, when you try to catch these sells out of rejection areas, like, that's why we used to take 2025 back in the day, because you got to think about it. You still really anticipating that price is going to go up. So say we were to get a 9.15 candle or a 9.30 candle closing above here, the area we rejected out of the first time, at that point is where you would expect a real move up. But we're just kind of hanging out, pinballing between this support area, which is now acting as a resistance on the 1 hour, and this resistance area, which is hopefully as a support on like the 15 minute. So, up. Roger, were you able to take that? Nice. Hold up. Oh. You want to ask the people that are doing the pick? Okay. Gotcha. I won't be on too much longer, but I don't think anything's about to happen in this 15-minute closure. Oh, it takes 2 seconds. Here we go. Okay. So, yeah. It's not like it's going to take them 30 minutes. So, all right, let's go in a second. All good. So let's see what we can do. Maybe we can get that little L back. Net minus 80 with a 3. Yeah, that's not bad. Need a good banger to end the stream in the week. Yep. Roger, we need a good banger to end the week, brother. So 15-minute candle just closed. And it closed bullish. Very, very strong bullish. Man, if I were a super scalper, this don't look bad to go up from here, but it's just the stop is way too big. To try to be squeezing getting the rejection. You the man, bro. You the man. That's why they decorated for you. But yeah, 9:30. What I'm waiting on now. Just hanging out in here. But if we can get above here, I would like to think that we should go ahead and be able to fill this out. I thought you just in a quitting mood this week, ain't you? Bruh. Fuck all this shit. I'm gonna say fuck all this shit. Boy, Roger said he about to go get on a knee like Kaepernick. Oh man, that very. I'm making some little progress on some of these accounts. I'm on a 50K at 698, 667, and 667. Need another little W. Go ahead and get right. Finish out this week straight. Not really trying to go too hard though. I took already enough trades. Woulda, coulda, shoulda went with my first mine on that 5-minute sell up here, but can't live like that. So just hanging out in this range for now. We should make our way up into this area kind of right here, and this area right here. We should, but chill. All right, we breaking the highs again. Not doing anything until 9:30 most likely. So just chilling right now. See 9:18. Damn, this thing creeping on up, isn't it? Shit. We're feeling this wig on out. It's making its way up. It ain't pretty, but it's doing it. Let's see if this 9:30 candle can go ahead and give us what we need. I'll be back in like a couple minutes. I'm probably just gotta go walk around and chill. There you go. Damn. Look at that push. I hate when that shit happens, bro. That shit is so annoying. Like, it was just down here. I'm looking at this. I was looking at this, how this 5-minute candle closed above this. This came down, made a bottom wick. You can't even call all this shit though. But Brandon, your 9:30 play may be in order, bro. We'll see. All right, I'll be back. Like I said, in a few minutes just to see what we are. All right, I'm back. What we got? I can already see what we got. All right, Roger and Brandon. Answer, of course. Call me crazy. But if this candle, it depends on how weak it closes. Like if it's closer to like down here. But man, if this closes bearish, I would not be surprised if we kind of came to that same area again. On break of that low. I would like a better top, like a decent top wick. Because this stop is huge for 130. It tapped right into that resistance and fell the hell out. If I can get like a stop to retest this area, it's pulling up now. I don't know about that. I don't love that closure. Yeah, see, my idea was to take a sell on the break of this low to kind of come back, basically the same trade as the first one. But if this wants to come up now, it just rejected out of there. Damn. Yeah, that's not any range. Like we literally just rejected out of here. Damn it. This is ugly. It's ugly closure. That's crazy how we were just down here. It's probably gonna come up though. It's just you don't really have a stop loss. See, it's coming down. Opening straight down, flipping up. Damn. Yeah, I don't love. Then it gap down. It's not bad on the flip up. How big is the stop? 33 or 40? Yeah, I can take this. Trust in 930 volumes. I'll take that. Actually, I didn't realize it's not much range up, but it's something. I'm not gonna be sitting in it for long. It's basically like a 1-to-1, like a 1-to-1. So it broke the high, came back down. It gets me in and does the dumb shit. Then it just is what it is. Let's see, about a 40 pip stop ish.
Stop filled.
All right, let's see. It just rushed down. Come on. 42.9 is what's my area? Why is it doing this shit, bro? Yeah, that shit about to stop me out.
Order filled.
See? That's so stupid, bro. That's so annoying. It's about to come up again. I may or may not try again, but the range is just a little small. That's all. Let's see. Do I take that again, or do I just leave it alone? Like, what the fuck is that? All it had to do was just, bro, like, you can't even call that shit. Why? The stops are huge now. I will definitely admit. But if it breaks that high again, it's definitely I just, part of me is just like, man, once again, at what cost? Let's see. It just tapped this perfectly. So if it flips back up again and re-breaks this previous 5 minute high right there, I bet you it goes. But the safer thing to do would be to wait. Let me see. I might try my hand at one more buy on the positions I'm up on the day on. Just because I have some profits to quote unquote play with. But it's a re-break of this top. Anticipating that volume is going to take me up until that. I just can't sit in that pullback.
Stop filled.
I'm back in it. But I'm not going to be doing anything dumb. Shit. Let's see. Protect my profits. Damn, bro. Let's see. That's so insane how prices just going crazy the opposite direction of this, Brandon. Like you said, like it's just flying up. Like you're not even seeing anything green, just straight negative. Yeah, it's all good though, regardless. I just don't want to make it just anything too stupid. I do anticipate that we should find our way up. It's just like, I'm trying, bruh, crazy, bro, insanity.
Stop filled.
See, that's bruh, like zero. Zero. And then it taps this area perfectly just to freaking fly back up. How you go from seeing $6 profit to just flying down? So probably gonna stay for one more little 15-minute closure, but other than that, I don't want to do anything stupid today. Oh, bro. Like this, like if you want to really get into the nitty gritty of it all, this 5-minute candle just closed back in range. So if it were to flip down, you should come down, but you start your ranges to get a little small at that point. So like a 35, 40 pip range down. Part of me is like just fucking wait. So I'm gonna just wait on this 945 candle. This shit about to come back up. It's gonna piss me off. Like you can't make it up, Brandon. You can't. It's funny because like the direction is there. You just kind of have to optimize your entry. They're gonna break this whole low, flip all the way back up. So stupid. But I have definitely maxed out on one set. So I just don't want to just avoid doing anything stupid, bruh. That's all it comes down to. Just avoid doing anything stupid. As long as you can do that, you can stay in the game. Like when this 5-minute candle flips down, I do think it's gonna come down. It just tapped into the same area right there. But it's just such a big stop. It's an 85 pip actual stop for a gain of about 30. I'd rather not when I could just wait 5-10 minutes for a 15 closure. Like what? Why is 930 not doing 930? Like I said, about 7-8 minutes. We're finally flipping on this 5-minute candle down. Like I said, I'm anticipating that we should start making our way down, but you never really know with how gold is acting. Took a loss on this shit when I was just expecting a wick to get filled after breaking this previous low. Crazy right now. You gotta keep it all in perspective. Like, yeah, you anticipate this to pull this out, but it may not. It may not. like pulling teeth just to come into certain areas. It's respecting levels though. A bit too much ass to come down for 30, 40, 50. It'll sure run negative 100 though, Brandon. It'll do that. See, no follow through. Ran about 28. Turn around. Draw that. Now, if this candle does close like this, I anticipate that the next candle will actually just go ahead and make it fall out. But you just never really can call it, man. You never really can call it. There it goes. All right, it just kind of tapped into this area I was talking about right here. But damn, why is it like pulling teeth to do it? It's like pulling teeth to do it. This next candle can go ahead. There we go. Coming down now. This next candle. Ooh, that's not that close either. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, this next candle can go ahead and close under this support area right here, which I have. I think it was off of the 5th. Well, we can put it down here. If we can get something to close under there, that wouldn't be bad. Because I originally had it right here. But because remember, the 30-minute candle, they close bullish. Right, coming down again, coming down some more. This is good. All right, if they can close back under here, just like literally just like this, that'd be great. You anticipate this wick to get filled out right here for about 60. Come down into this full range for about 80. This would not be bad at all. It needs to just chill out where it's at though. Where could a stop loss go? A stop loss could go probably over the previous 5-minute candle. Something like, it really should go all the way up here. But if it went above here, it wouldn't just be crazy. So not really looking to lose a whole 80-something pips. Word to Brandon. Why are we not going in profit 30 before going negative 50? But all good. Let's see what we can do. We can get this closure under, man. And if we just close back above, it's not bad to go up. You just going, It's not bad to go up based off of 5-minute candles, respecting this area, anticipating it to go up. But I kind of want to sell out of these highs of the day now. We've been pushing up for so much. If we can just close back below here, that'd be good. But I see both happening though. I really do. Like now, I move this up to here. If you do indeed get a 5-minute candle closing as bullish as it is, I mean, you certainly can come up. So I see both options. Go ahead and chill. 1 minute for a closure. Bread is hot. I'm talking about nothing, just zero. How do you even see that? How do you see zero? Damn, this is kind of crazy, y'all. And now is this range getting a little too small to even take a buy? Damn, y'all, this is getting a little tough. These candles are like moving 200 and 150. That's not terrible. If it closes did it just reject out of here for a reason, or is it about to flip and go? Part of me thinks that once this thing flips, it's going to go ahead and fill this wick on out and continue up into there. Because we have no top wick on the 15 high. Yeah, I'm going to try that buy stop on the break of that high. Anticipating that, yeah, we did kind of quote unquote reject out of here. But like, if you look and see what happened when we closed back above, we really made our way up into here. So I'm hopeful that when I get in, that it won't be on no dumb shit. That's all I want, bro. It's an easy freaking trade. Just go. Just flip and go. I'm probably only gonna use this low right here. I don't want to make it too crazy.
Order filled.
Oh shit, it got me in early. Oh no. Fuck me. That shit got me, bro. Come on. It might got me in with the spread. Damn it. Flip up, please. I had a buy stop and then I deleted it trying to go bigger. And then I user errored in. Fuck. If I take a loss on that, it was definitely user error. Motherfucker. No. Don't do me dirty like that. Damn it, Brandon. Roger. User errored in.
Stop filled.
And got slipped. It did not get me in yet. I user errored in. Oh my god. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. That's insane. Wow, bro. It did not even get me. It didn't even get me in yet. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be real bad. Are you kidding me? Negative 54. And then it's, bruh, are you kidding me? Well, at this point, I ain't gonna say I'm on fucking mode, but that shit got me in with the spread, bro. And then slip my exit too. Bruh. That's insane. Why is it be acting like this? Man, fuck out of me. Why did it slip me in and out? In and out. I have the same damn buy stop set again. My goodness, Roger. This shit's about to annoy the
Stop
fuck out of me.
filled.
Oh my gosh. Please just go up. Right. At this point, let's see. I saw 3 pips of profit. Negative 30. Let's see. I'm gonna set a stop for negative 50. Well, I'm about to hit that.
Stop filled.
You can't make this up at all. So, that being said, I am off this shit. Happy Friday. Brandon, what the fuck is going on, bro? Like, can someone just tell me? And that was, bro, look, it's right back in profit. It's about to break that high and fly up. I have nothing to do, say. So, by the end of the stream, YouTube, thank y'all for tuning in. Before I do some just dumb shit, I just want to fucking stop. 009, 012, 009. Oh, gosh, bro. But yeah, I'm about to end the stream, y'all. At this point, I damn